we've got some brand new t-shirts available, especially for Christmas at Excel. So if you would like to order yourself a t-shirt, you can either contact the office, or at the end of the service you can try them on, find out which size you would like and order them. They're going to be available in a range of sizes, in short sleeve and long sleeve options, and children's sizes too. So make sure you get yourself a Christmas at Excel t-shirt. If you would like one, order it at the end of the service.
Move the same Jesus, He's making us new, He's making us new.
This year's annual general meeting is going to be on Wednesday the 27th of November at 7:30 p.m. Now, it's a requirement of the Charities Commission, and if you're a partner here at Excel Church, then we expect you to make every effort that you can to attend. If you're not a partner here, then why not speak to one of the welcome team for more details? And if you are a partner, then you'll get a pack to your email address if we've got a valid email address for you. But if you don't have an email and you would still like a copy of the reports, then please speak to Dan for a paper copy.
Commanding the wind and the waves, His kingdom forever shall reign, and we know that He is coming again. He is coming again.
We are really excited to announce that in June 2020 we are going to be arranging a missions trip to northern Spain, an area called Asturias. It's going to be a fantastic 6 days there, spending time with a church there who are actually planting churches, and we're going to be doing some children's ministry there and lots of other things as well to get involved with as well. It's going to be a fantastic week. Hopefully the weather will be a little bit warmer than it is here, and it really will be a fantastic experience. Now, numbers are limited, but if you're interested in coming on that trip, which will be from the 19th to the 26th of June, then you can pick up an application pack from the welcome desk, or you can sign up online and we will send you an application pack too. But we really hope to take a fantastic team and have a brilliant time in Spain next June, sharing about Jesus with the people of Spain.
And sons, so He took on the cross and He laid down His life, then He gave what He said.
Over the Christmas season, we've got a whole range of Christmas activities to reach out to our community, and to make those happen we need lots and lots of volunteers. So if you think you can help out in any way over Christmas, please pick up a volunteer form from the welcome desk, or speak to Dan to tell him how you can help out.
Promises, the same Jesus, the same Jesus.
Before you go today, remember to pick up some flyers that tell you all about the details of what's going on here at Excel over Christmas. Give them to your friends, your family, your neighbours, everyone you know. Let's invite as many people we know to hear about Jesus this Christmas at Excel. And next Sunday, please join us. We've got Stuart and Julie here from Audacious Church in Manchester. They're going to be here with us all day, so we hope you can join us for that. Have a great week, and we'll see you back next Sunday for more Excel news.